Hi, welcome to my channel, Mrs. Sippy, the wife, not the state. Today I want to talk to you guys about how to use cloth diapers. As a new mom, I have just started using cloth diapers and I was really confused about what it is and what you needed. So I wanted to give you guys all the information you need in one video. I decided to use cloth diapers rather than disposable, really because they're cheaper. And apparently you save about $750 a year by using cloth diapers, so it's worth it for us. We did get a lot of disposable diapers for our baby shower, so when we were using disposable diapers, we did notice that our son Vinny would be more prone to diaper rash. But since we've been using cloth diapers for, well, he's 12 weeks now, for about 11 weeks, he has not had any diaper rash or any redness around the diaper area. So that's another positive. In this video, what I want to talk about are the things that you need, how to put it on, how to get multiple uses, how many to have, how to laundry them, and how to travel with them. I hope I pointed to these things correctly. I feel like Vanna White. Ooh. So let's talk about what you need. I have the Alva baby cloth diapers. It comes with the outer shell that has a pocket, and you will also need the towel insert that can go inside the pocket. And you will need about 25 of the outer shells, and you will need 50 towel inserts. That's how many I have, and that lasts me 2 to 3 days of diapers. Then I do laundry. Now let me show you how to put it on. It was really confusing for me because there's so many snaps. I had no idea which ones meant till I looked closer in it. The bottom 3 rows of snaps, those adjust the rise of the diaper. So for when you have a newborn, you want to snap it to the top row so that it is as short as possible and can fit your newborn. The top snaps adjust the waist. And you can see you can adjust it all the way to this end for its smallest setting. At the diaper's smallest setting, when I would put it on my newborn who was born 8 pounds, it was a little big for him. So I would say that's a mild disadvantage if you are going with the Alva baby cloth diapers. It is a little too big for newborns under 8 pounds. Now I want to tell you how I can get multiple uses with the outer shell diaper. I first put the towel inside the pocket of the outer shell. That's use number 1. Then if he didn't have a poo and it was just a pee, I personally put another towel insert on top of the diaper, not inside the pocket, so that I can get a second use out of that outer shell. Now I want to tell you how I clean the cloth diapers. Now when the baby poops, I get a paper towel and I just scrape it and put it in a separate garbage that is nice and sealed and doesn't let any smelly smells out. I also want to add that I store my diapers in the Decor Diaper Genie hamper, but if you store it in any garbage bin that has a lid on it, that should be good enough to trap the smell inside. So on my laundry setting, I have a sanitize setting. So I click the sanitize and it makes the water extreme hot and extreme cold. And I also do a second rinse to really get it as sanitized as possible. Then when I dry the cloth diapers, I put it on a medium heat and I let it run. Just be warned that the towel inserts will have a yellow stain after you use them a little bit. For me, that doesn't alarm me because I know I'm cleaning the diapers properly. Now I make sure to laundry the cloth diapers every 2 or 3 days because you don't want the dirty diaper to be sitting in the hamper more than that. That's why having about 25 outer shells and 50 inserts should be just fine to make that mark. Now I want to tell you how I travel with cloth diapers. I have this cute little bag dispenser and you roll it out of its little cute container and out comes individual bags and you just put the dirty diaper inside the bag, tie up the bag and leave it in your baby bag so that it's ready to be put in the wash when you get home. And that is all I have to say about cloth diapers. So I hope that answered any questions that were on your mind, and I hope you do consider using cloth diapers because it is gonna save you a bunch of money. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!